this car's ready. Go freak. Woo!
It's okay, she was just wondering if I wanted to watch a movie at the house tonight. You can't do that.
Jeremy's over here panicking because this girl sent him a text that just said, Jeremy, what's your middle name?
Colton.
Jeremy Colton Foster, and he thought he was with a period, and he thought he was in really big trouble. But she just wanted to watch a movie.
For 4 hours.
He didn't reply for like forever. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We are here at Alex Auto Haus. Oh, my car's too big. So we got the Sequoia, we got Jeremy, but we picked up the Audi, and it is done. The wiring harness has been changed on the seat control module, so that means that there will be no more shorts, hopefully, in the wiring harness that causes it to flip out. Emissions was done, and an oil change was done. So I think, for now, it's ready to go. I'm not sure how I feel about the fact that they drove it 112 miles, but that's a lot.
It's a lot of miles.
Anyway, so let's go hop in the Audi. Jeremy will be driving the Sequoia.
Oh, I thought I was driving.
Sequoia looks so good when it's rolling.
Don't make that face at me.
Jeremy just revved it, and all it sounded like was a box of marbles.
It sounds good, okay? It sounds better than the Diablo.
But true, actually, it does. I am so sorry to my neighbors. I always feel really bad leaving her behind, but I'd rather be driving this. So if you guys didn't know by now, I got a stupid good deal on this car, and this is why. I have put 810 miles on it, but it's about to hit 110,000 miles today. Guaranteed, because I still gotta drive 14 miles, so. Anyway, 110,000 miles. 110,000 miles, and to celebrate, we are gonna go at this light. Ready? 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 Everybody ready? Oh, they got a green light. Now I got a green light. Hopefully this car's ready. Oh, freak. That was like 3/4 throttle. Well, because my car is in the second shop in 2 weeks of ownership, I am taking this to go get some food, because it's already got a ton of miles on it, so no one cares. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go grab some food, and then I will let you guys know what's going on with the Audi in a little bit. So basically right now it is sitting at a wheel shop. So it got the wiring harness fixed, which seemed to solve more problems than I thought it would, actually. And now I am getting some wheels straightened, because there's 2 wheels that are bent that I did not know about. So the Audi is coming along just great. It needs new front brakes, front tires, because the front tires are completely bald on the inside because of it being lowered, and also quattro system, I could be wrong, but if I remember correctly, is 70% front wheel, 30% rear wheel drive. So it just burns the front tires off, basically. I'm gonna go grab some food. Guys, welcome back to Down Sellers Raptor Vlogs, because that's pretty much all I filmed. I know it's just ice. Yeah. It just kept sliding backwards. I was like, please go that way. Please go that way. Anyway, welcome back to Down Sellers Raptor Vlogs. You whipping some donuts. Time we go.
That light looks good though.
Yeah. Okay guys, so something I failed to explain yesterday was the reason why I was driving that Raptor, and the reason why I was driving it the way I was driving it was because I was doing a photo shoot of it like I always do with all these Raptors, there's a lot of them. And yes, I told him what I was going to be doing. So there's a lot of Raptors and I have to shoot every Raptor kind of in a, well, all the nice cars in a different place. We just don't have anything really nice. We just don't have any sports cars. So basically the only nice things we have that they want me to do photo shoots of are Raptors right now. So that was a used Raptor and I was given permission that I could do photos like that because I've been wanting to do photos with it spinning around and throwing snow. So I got permission. That is a track Raptor. It has been beaten to death. So of course they were okay with me doing that with that Raptor. Anyway guys, that explains what was going on with that. I'm sorry guys, this whole vlog has been just kind of a mess of me not really explaining anything and telling anybody what's going on. Just been kind of skipping around. It's been over a 3-day period of time. Anyway, so I dropped off the Audi at a shop. It got an oil change, it got the emissions done, it got the wiring harness repaired. It is running great now. I also dropped it off at the second shop to have the wheels straightened. So I have now spent $1,000 on that car in the 2 weeks of ownership. It has been to 2 different shops, but I have it back now. I still need 2 tires. I know it's all-wheel drive, but there's only 5,000 miles on those tires, so I think the other 2 might be okay. I'm gonna check and make sure they're within spec that I can do that. I can just swap out 2. But I need 2 new tires, front brakes, and there was something else. But anyway guys, thanks so much for joining me on this vlog. I will catch you guys in the next one. Go ahead and hit the like button on this video if you liked it, and subscribe. A lot of my people that watch the videos are not subscribed. I'm not quite sure how that works out. I think it's just because everybody searches certain things like Audi or Sequoia or things like that and just watch one video. But guys, subscribe if you're not subscribed. I will catch you guys in the next one. See you later. Bye.
Don't send me a photo of your girlfriend.
Naked.
I know, like,
waterfall.
I can't hold this phone anymore.
Ooh.
Earthquake!